Well, we've got lemonade Kool Aid, unsweetened, in water, and we added the pH test indicator solution to it, so it kind of turned red. It was sort of yellow, turned red, because it's down here in the acid area. Like maybe a 2. Wow, yeah, it's maybe like a 1 or 2. It actually reads out as a 2.3 or something like that. And then I put it in these little cups here, and we're going to try to neutralize that because that's acidic, and you know, we want green. We want kind of neutral. Got 4 things we're going to try. First one we're going to try is Walgreens antacid, which is aluminum and magnesium hydroxide. Going to put a couple of drops in there. See what happens. A couple of drops there. Next one, Phillips milk of magnesia, which is definitely magnesium hydroxide. Let's put a couple of other drops in there. We've got Tums, and to take Tums, you have to kind of crunch it up with a mortar and pestle with some water. That's what's in here. Let's take some of that up, drop it in this one. They all still look pink. And good old baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Let's suck up a little bit of that in this pipette. Put a couple of drops of that in there. So, get a stirring stick here. Which one of these, if any of them, are neutralizing? Okay, that's going into the yellow. That's neutralizing a little bit. Let's get these individual stirrers over here. Come on, Tums, do something. Do something with this acidic stuff. Oh, need some more Tums in there. That seemed like a lot more. Okay, something's happening there, but still not a whole lot. The Phillips milk of magnesia usually works pretty good in my stomach when I got heartburn, and it is still, it's not going to green. We need something to go to green. How about a little bit more of this milk of magnesia in there? Get that to go neutralizing a little bit. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, that's going from a 4 to a 5. Going green now. Nice. All right, that definitely moved closer to neutral. Good job, Phillips. And this last one, which is the Walgreens version, just a little bit, still in the pink. What do you want, some more? Suck up some more. Give it a little stir, see if it can go green. Got to give it a little bit of a chance. You know, as soon as you drink this in your stomach, it doesn't feel great immediately. It takes a while for the neutralization to happen. But anyway, out of these 3, if you want to go back to neutral, which is 7, and your stomach is actually kind of like a 4 or a 5, so really anywhere between 5 and 7 would be neutral. You kind of like sodium bicarbonate, didn't do too bad. Now let's move this over here. So sodium bicarbonate, maybe a 4 to 5. This guy, Tums, not acting on it immediately, still a 1, almost as pink as it was at the beginning. Phillips milk of magnesia, though, brought it all the way neutral to a 7. And the Walgreens material still hasn't done anything. It's still in the acidic range.